here's one of the more popular cars that Chevrolet ever produced. It's a 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air two-door hardtop. Yes, real deal Bel Air. Of course, you're going to be able to tell that by the C in the VIN. And still looking very much the way it would have looked back in 1957 when it rolled off the local Chevrolet dealership showroom floor. India Ivory upper body with tropical turquoise lower body, turquoise colored wheels, 811 paint code, and the trim 673, so black and turquoise interior, and we're going to get to that in a little bit. First, let's take a look at this chrome and bright work up front. It's powered by a 327 V8. Best of all, that's paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. You can see that bright work up front between the headlight bezels and the grille, looking good. Chrome in the bumpers. Paint has a nice shine to it. All right, still pictures. You're going to be able to see this car from every angle, undersides, interior, engine bay. Over 100 pictures of this car online at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. There you can see those turquoise steel wheels. Wheel covers with the tri-spinners on them. Wide white walls, radial tires, equipped with power steering. Let's go ahead and take a look down this passenger side. You can see it's really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Notice one little touch-up spot over on the driver's side, and I'll point that out when we get there. Panels look nice and straight. Interior's beautiful. Bed seat, there's that 4-speed. Little aftermarket gauge cluster underneath the dash. Technician did note that those are working. Wipers work, radio works. Like I said earlier, we'll get around to that driver's side, check out that interior a little closer. Start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood, and if you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason's going to take it for a drive. There you can see how straight those panels are. And again, paint has a nice shine to it. Chrome in the rear bumper looking good. Dual exhaust. Will come with a few items. Looks like we have some halogen headlamps. Looks like original radio. Car cover. A few trim pieces. That will go back in the car and go to the next owner. As far as the gas fill in these cars, you're going to love it. Hidden in that trim piece. All right, a few notes from the technician that looked at this one. Stated it went down the road. Very nice, drives out well. And Jason will show you here in just a bit. Brakes are 75% in the front, 80% in the rear. Tires are 2020 date code, and they're in good shape. There's a spare and a jack in the trunk. Let's take a look down this driver's side. If you like Tri-5 Chevrolets, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online right off our showroom floor. And as you can see, I pointed out that little spot where there is the touch-up over on the driver's side here. For those of you that have subscribed to our YouTube channel, thank you. We'll have over 100,000 viewers, and we sure appreciate it. Go ahead and share any of the videos. Share our YouTube channel too. We do appreciate that. There's a little closer look at that interior, so turquoise and black. I have not noticed any rips, tears, holes. Interior appears to be in nice shape. How about that headliner? Headliner looking good. Dome light working, visors in place. Aftermarket tack on the steering column. That is working. Let's fire this up. It's a good sounding car. Pops right off. You can see that fuel gauge coming up. How do we want to see it? There you go. Good throttle response. That'll rock 4-barrel on it. And there you can see the tack working. Oil pressure up, amp meter. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect the oil temp or coolant temp to be up. I did have the radio working earlier. Get a station a second here, it'll come in.
Windows 95 for the
There
first
it is.
time. Just a button-down shirt and some like Dockers or something.
Dash looks good.
But man, that voice.
We got it on the low idle. Listen to this. Got a little rumble. Sounding good. Let me slip up to the front. I think I might be able to pop this one-handed here. All right, underside of the hood looking good. AC Delco battery with a disconnect for when it's in the storage or in between drives. Nice and clean underneath here. And again, power steering. 327, 300 horse. V8. And remember that 4-speed manual transmission, fun one to drive. Great car for your local shows, cruise-ins, roll-ins. And a 2-door hardtop to boot, 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
a few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
Gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're going for a ride in a beautiful 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air 2-door. This is a 4-speed manual on the floor. Beautiful 1957 colors on this car. One of the most iconic American cars I can think of. Turn signal working. Very smooth running car. Sounds good. The acceleration is also good. Speedometer reading 55 miles an hour. Tachometer reading a little over 2,500. That's a super tach from the sun right on the column there. Fuel gauge reading a little less than half. Down below the dash we have some vintage looking aftermarket gauges in a 4-pack where the pressure on the oil is reading 70. The amps are reading over halfway, which means they are charging, and that's good. The temperature is just coming up off of about 120. Oh, that is the oil temp. The oil temp, we have an oil temp gauge, very nice. That's a little over 100, about 120. The water temp is 170. Stereo works great. That is a digital stereo. Did not expect that song. Digital radio, which means it's easy to find your stations. The blower motor works on this car, blowing some heat today on a cool day in Minnesota. The wipers also work. I blow the horn, but people might think I'm honking at them. I might wait a second for that one. Clutch feels very good, easy to drive. Luxurious in the corners. There's that wonderful sound. Horn is not functioning. That is one thing that is not functioning. Beautiful car. Right turn signal works as well. The headliner looks great. The seats look great. You really feel the 50s when you look at this car. Find all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.